Hi, my name is Allie J. Carlson, and I'm going to show you how I make my smoothies. So usually I'll have smoothies in the morning, but obviously right now it's nighttime. So I'm just going to show you what I usually have in the morning. So I usually start out with frozen fruit, and right now I've chosen to have strawberry, peaches, and banana, and I do not measure anything. So like that much, and I'm gonna add some fresh blueberries, and you can see it's kind of wet. That's because you're supposed to rinse your fruit before you use it. Maybe about 1, 2, 3, I'd say 4 handfuls. All right, we're gonna add some fresh raspberries. I would say I like more blueberries than raspberries, so maybe about 2 handfuls. I'm gonna go for half a banana. Okay, here's the secret ingredient, my sister's lemonade. It's absolutely scrumptious, and no matter what kind of fruit you put in here, it's gonna make it delicious. So this right here is 1 cup of lemonade. So we're gonna pour that in, and we're gonna put the lid on it and blend it up. So I'll come back after this is blended. All right, that looks absolutely delicious. Okay, so now you're gonna get your cup and you're gonna pour in your smoothie. Here we go. So, based on how thick your smoothie is, you can turn it into a smoothie bowl. You can add granola, shredded coconut, honey, anything you'd like, fresh fruit, some banana slices. So, let's make it pretty. We're gonna add the fresh honey. Like this. Just drizzle it on. Fresh blueberries and fresh raspberries. I'm gonna add my favorite chocolate granola. Okay, and the final step is shredded coconut. All right, it's time to test it. Now that we've got the perfect bite, it's a winner. So try this recipe out. You don't need to measure anything, just whatever you think, whatever you feel like. So my name is Allie J. Carlson, and I hope that you can make delicious smoothies too.